Welcome back to Toy Time, and today is video number 5 of our LOL Surprise Confetti Pop. This is so much fun, right guys? Do you want to be our channel's biggest fan? So hurry up and subscribe to our channel. And if you don't know how to subscribe, hurry up and ask your mommy, your daddy to subscribe to our channel. We're gonna be posting so much LOL surprise dolls and also many cool episodes. So you wanna subscribe to watch them all. Alright, so let's choose this doll here to unbox today. What do you think? Let's clean our studio, get all this confetti out of here, and get it ready to unbox our surprise. So now that the studio is all clean, how about we unbox in a different way? Instead of pulling the zippers from the layers, I'm just gonna pull the layer like this. Cool, right? I know. I hear some giggling. Who's giggling here? Oh, I think I know. It might be the queen of the castle. Alright, so here's one clue. Do you guys already know who it could be? Leave us a comment, let us know. And also leave us a comment to let us know if you already have this LOL on your collection. Okay, so here is the stickers. I wonder if she's gonna cry, if she's gonna spit, if she's gonna change color. I don't know, we'll have to find out. So now I'm going to pull the zipper. Let me see, right there. One more layer off. Wow, guys, look how cute. Oh, we got a golden surprise. I love it. And here is the finger sticker, the little ring. It's a crown, very pretty. So let's get the band out. Let's get the sticker out also. Okay, I'm still cleaning the studio because we have so much confetti all over the place. All right, so let's get the sticker out. Very nice. And let's start getting all of the surprises from inside the confetti pop. So this will be the accessories. I'm gonna set them to the side. And we're also looking for the ribbon so we could open the confetti pop. So here is another surprise. There it is. Let's move a little faster here, okay? The other surprise is right there. So many compartments. This is a lot of fun. Wait a minute, guys, look. I think we found the ribbon. Okay, so now let's close. And one more compartment because we already got 3 surprises and we have 4 surprises with the accessories. So here it is. Ready for the confetti? Wow, very nice. And look, guys, we have different color confetti and it's glitter confetti. How pretty. I wonder which doll it's gonna be. It might be a Glitterati club. Okay, so here is the pamphlet with all the dolls. Here is the other side with the little sisters. And here is the doll. But you guys know, first we're gonna open all the accessories. So here we go. Let's start opening this one. We could see the outfit and maybe we can start taking a guess and see which doll is in the bag. Okay, so one more blind bag going on. Let's see. The outfit has lots of glitter. Can you guys already know who it is or guess who it is? I love to read the comments that you guys leave for me, so leave me a comment. Okay, so here is, let's see. Oh, we have the shoes. Here are the shoes. Very pretty with white socks. And let's open one more blind bag. This is so much fun. I love LOL surprises. Wow, look at this beautiful necklace. So delicate. And now one more last but not least, let's see the baby bottle. Are you guys ready? So here it is. We got a baby bottle. It looks like a mason jar and it has glitter. Now let's find out who's the doll. If you guys guessed Madame Queen, you were right. Good job to everyone that left us a comment saying that it was Madame Queen inside the blind bag. Alright, so let's dress her up and then we'll find out what she does. I wonder if she spits, if she cries, maybe she changes color. We'll find out. Okay, so here it is. Let's dress her up. Look at this beautiful outfit. Look at this cute little pinkish outfit. So pretty. Alright, and she is wearing gloves. And now let's put her shoes. Alright, she's got her shoes on now. And her jewelry. Look how beautiful this necklace. I love her outfit. She looks adorable.
Thank you. This is my favorite outfit. But you know what? Let me show you the back of the outfit. I love this skirt, the shoes, these accessories, and this shirt. But I'm getting very hungry. Do you have a baby bottle for me, please?
I sure do. Here is your baby bottle. I love the baby bottle that you have. It's like a mason jar.
Yes, it is. It's so stylish, right?
Totally. Now let me clean the studio. Madame Queen does not like a mess on her studio.
You know it. I like everything very clean and organized. But you know what? I'm getting very hungry. May I please have my baby bottle?
Sure. Here it is.
Gloop, 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 gloop.
Wow, you must have been really hungry.
Gloop, gloop, gloop.
Okay, a little bit more bottle for you. Wow, this bottle must be very good too. You love milk, right? Milk is very good for you. Almost all done. Okay, so you drank everything.
Uh-oh, I think I have to use the potty.
What is that, Madame Queen? Did you say something?
Yes, I said I have to use the potty, and I am not fully potty trained yet. Where is the bathroom? I'm still learning how to use the potty.
Oh, you have to go potty. I understand. I don't know where the bathroom is.
I have to go. Where's the bathroom? I have to go. Uh-oh. I made a mess on the floor. This is not good. Look, now the floor of the studio is all wet. We have to clean this mess. This is not good. I am so sad. Boo-hoo! I'm going to cry. Somebody help me, please. I have to clean the floor of the studio. It's very, very messy, and I don't like a messy studio. Hey, I have an idea. Maybe I can go look for some paper towels in the other room. Alright, stay right here. I'll be right back. Oh no, I could not find any paper towels.
Hey, don't worry, Madame Queen. I have some paper towels. I'll put the baby bottle right there. And here we go. The studio is nice and clean. And on another video, you can learn how to potty train and how to use the potty. Isn't that a great idea?
Yes, that's a great idea. Everybody hurry up and subscribe to our channel because I'll be posting my video when I learn how to use the potty. Do you think I'll be able to learn how to use the potty fast? I hope so. It can't be that difficult.
That's right. Alright guys, so if you guys like the video, hurry up and subscribe to our channel so you can be our channel's biggest fan. And also leave us a comment. I'll see you guys on our next adventure. Thank you for watching. Toy Toy Time. Please subscribe.